Hi everyone, so let's do a skincare routine and a little chit chat session today. I feel like my routine is very productive, but it's taken a big toll on my skin. I wake up in the morning, I go to the gym, which is great, but the journey till the gym in the heat has been bad. Everything together, while has been productive, but has caused a lot of damage to my skin. And all of this together started making my skin look very dull and dry. And then, I heard of this ingredient called kombucha, and turns out it has multiple benefits. It deeply hydrates your skin, it is very rich in antioxidants, and it also protects the skin barrier. And the best part, mCaffeine has recently launched their Kombucha Range. So the first product is the face cleanser, and I absolutely love it. The best part is that it deeply cleanses the skin and it makes my skin feel so plump. The second product is the face serum. It protects my skin barrier and it also protects my skin from the harmful environmental stressors that I have around me always. The third product is the moisturizer, and it deeply hydrates my skin from within. Again, I love it. The best part is that it's so lightweight, it sits so well on my skin and just feels so great. And then we have the SPF. Now the SPF 50++++ in this product helps me protect my skin from the harmful UV rays that I'm always around. It's extremely lightweight, it's nourishing, and honestly, it's like no other. So well, this was my easy peasy, extremely hydrating skincare routine. And I absolutely love this range. Honestly, they're my new best friends.